Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, yes, we got the top 5 free watch faces that you guys got to check out. They're all going to be boss. They're all going to be free. And listen, we're going to leave the name as well as the developer in hopes that you can find these watch faces a lot easier. I know some of you all had a problem finding it with just the name. And that's the way I found it, just kind of going through, putting in names and finding the watch face that I thought was worthy of a review. So the name of this one is called CW4 Sport. Again, I will leave the name of the developer in the description box down below to make it easier. Cool? All right, with that being said, let's get started. This is an awesome premium watch face. I'm really loving the design. These are all going to be weather watch faces as well. Somebody had asked about weather watch faces, and here it is. You get the best of both worlds. I'm loving the look of that analog clock. It looks super awesome. And then you get the best of both worlds because you get your digital info, you get the weather up at the top, you get your battery information. You come down, you got a nice moon phase, you got your heartbeat, you got everything you need here so far as step status is concerned. But you also get a premium sort of elegant look out of this type of watch face. Again, I like the design. It really stands out. I wish that we were able to customize the color theme. It don't allow you to do much on here. So kind of what you see is what you get for the most part, but that's not bad because again, the watch face is free and the design to me is off the chart. All right. So this is watch face number 1. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. All right, you all, watch face number 2 is nice. Now, this is one of the baddest weather watch faces you can get. Again, remember, this is free for the taking. Now, I like this 3-day weather forecast. I like, well, really, it's a 4-day weather forecast if you look at the weather up at the top, and it gives you tomorrow's forecast, Wednesday, Thursday. I do like this look. I love the fact that everything is very legible, gives you a nice digital time, which is 12 hours down at the bottom, which I love, and you get a moon phase. So gives you your step information as well for those of you all who are wondering, are you going to be able to keep up with your steps with such a watch face? Yes, you will, and you will be able to get the data information along with your heart rate. So I thought this was a good look for a free watch face. Again, I will look up under LR21 so far as the developer is concerned in order to find this watch face. But again, we will leave the name of the watch face as well. All right, with that being said, let's check out watch face number 3. Well, this is a thing of beauty. It's an oldie but goodie so far as a watch face is concerned, but it has this elegant look and feel to it. It's an analog watch face with weather. Now, you were looking for a nice weather watch face. This one is it. You get this black background, which is going to help with battery efficiency. I really love the design of it. Look at the index, right, which really complements the watch face overall. The analog hands also look premium, and what really sets it off so far as a classic look. So far as an analog watch face is concerned, you got a smooth second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch where your date is, right? You got the weather at the top, you got your steps down at the bottom as well, and you get your battery info. So for me, this is a good look. The name of it again is called Elegant Black Watch Face. This one is definitely worthy of a download. Let me know what you think of this watch face once you download it and put it on your wrist. Again, yeah, this one is free for the taking. All right, you all, watch face number 4. Now, this one is called Folds. Now, this one is nice, right? It's a weather watch face. Of course, you get your weather, you get your text time, which I thought was definitely unique. It's very colorful as well. Now, you're not going to be able to change the color theme of this watch face, so don't worry about that, but you will be able to get the date and your step information. For those of you all who are looking for something different, something unique, this one is a very nice looking timepiece. This is watch face status, everyday wear watch face, a work week watch face, but it's definitely a watch face worthy of a download. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check out last but not least watch face number 5. All right, you all, last but not least, watch face number 5 is, yes, it's a weather watch face as well with the nice stacked digital time, but I like the split in the design. Definitely it stands out for a casual wear. A super casual wear is that for a digital watch face. Now, for those of you all who are into fitness, you got your fitness information in there. You got your data information down at the bottom along with your weather. Now, you're going to get your highs and you're also going to get your lows as well. As you can see, it is going to be hot tomorrow. Now, the blinking light in the center, I'm gathering it's got to be your second information But this is truly a good look so far as the watch face is concerned. I do like it. I like the fact that it's free, and I like the fact that it definitely complements some of the outfits that I got in my closet. So that's going to be it for the top 5 weather watch faces. You guys got to check this out. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. You guys have been doing great commenting in the comment section. Thank you guys. And listen, remember, if you don't find the watch faces by the name of the watch face, check out the developer's name, which should be right up under it. Okay? So with that being said, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.